Use him because they say people like him and Richard for him. I mean, I take back my chat. I said, yeah, who use him to get rich, to look after him. I mean, I take back my chat and that must have burn you. Yeah, no man, no. Call me and throw with me now.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Morning, my viewers and beautiful, splendacious, fabulous, amazing-acious subscribers. Good morning. How you do out there? How you stay? All right? Hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, when you see me out in the morning, I walk. Yes, me have to get up, walk a morning time. In other words, me have to exercise. Yeah, exercise. Yeah, man, guys, me have to exercise every morning and anytime me want. But me love to exercise a morning time. Me just wake up, the body, make the body get that tune in there. Yeah. So, guys, you don't know, take care of yourself. And remember, guys, do the blood works. Yesterday, one of my subscriber said to me, say, she go to the doctor, and when she go to the doctor end up sending her to go do her blood work. Remember, guys, no matter how you check yourself, no matter how you do your physical, there's one thing, if one thing now work right, your whole body in a problem. Your blood works. Remember, check it out. Pick your finger, do your blood work. Stress is dangerous. Yeah, yeah, man, stress is dangerous. Anyway, guys, you don't know wellness check for your friends and family. Make sure everybody is all right. Domestic violence out there, guys. Serious, And family violence. Yes, family violence out there. Wicked. You can't believe how family are fight against family these days. Yeah, man. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow your birthday, happy soon come birthday. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, you don't know me the outside of walking, and you don't know how me stay. Yeah, man, when me see it, me go talk about it, yeah? When me see it, me go talk about it. Guys, what me really want to talk about today is something when me see last night. Me see something last night and me just could not believe what me I see. Yeah? Me couldn't believe what me I see. Hold on a little bit, guys. Yes, guys, so me able to cross the road. So, guys, me could not believe what me see last night. Me know say there was something there, but me couldn't believe what me see last night. When me really take me too high and sit and listen last night was really an upsetting point on the YouTube street. You know me at that. You see thumbnail? Family, a fight against family. Family, a fight down family in a time of needs and want when a family should not get the support from everybody. Family I try to tear down other family just because of what one subscriber right. You don't know who me attack. Farmerman me attack about. Farmerman, come here, man. I mean, I want you at the front of the line. I mean, I want you nowhere near me because people like you, Farmerman, me believe people like you should have a time span on this earth where your time just come. Yeah, me believe people like you should have a time span on the earth where your time just come and that's it. You just dissolve out and leave earth. Farmerman, let me ask you this. What did your family member them do to you that you have to deal with them that way? Now, let me say this to you. Every family have issues. Every family have issues. Remember, even the British, even the prince, them have problem. Even the Prince family have issues and problems and them tear themselves apart and see them go back together. Them never come out on this street and say, Prince Harry do this, or Prince John do this, or Prince do that. No, they never do that. It's people who believe them know them business come out and talk them business when some of it no go so, some go so. However, you see your family member sucks in an accident. You see him get in an accident, yeah? And you get up and claims that because of what the subscriber said, that's why you go beat your family member sucks. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. You want to beat Sachs long time ago. You want to beat Sachs long time. It's not only because the subscriber says something to you and that's why you go beat Sachs and you go beat your family member, which your family member is two people you are talking about. Two people. You only know one call their name, but you attack two people. Now let me say this to you. You say something in your video. I mean, I know if them make you fly over them head. But you keep using the word Sachs make them get rich. And them shouldn't help Sachs. Listen to me. Me know who you attack. Me know who you attack. Listen to what you say. Sachs make them get rich. And them shouldn't help Sachs. Who did Sachs help get rich? Who and Sachs did work together and then get rich? And Sachs not get rich. Stop the stupidness because me not stupid. Me not fool. Me know exactly where you're pointing your finger. Now, let me say this to you. Your family died. Your family died, dead. Him buried, him gone. When your family member died and buried and gone, and you months after, you go come out and talk about who no spend what from who no spend what, you is the worst on this planet called Earth. So in other words, you bury your family, you help to bury your family member, and you hurt about it because you spend A and them not spend B. And listen to what you say. You never say they not spend the money, you know. You never say they not spend the money. You say them never want to spend none. So, but at the end of the day, they did spend money. Hear what you say again. Them never want to go. But guess what? They went because we are seeing videos. So what is the real factor of you coming out, putting down your family member, putting down Sachs in a time when Sachs need your help, in a time when Sachs need you, in a time when Sachs need all his family to join with him? Why did you go to that distance and trying to put down Sachs? Why? That's my question. I wouldn't say it's bad mind. I would say it's covetous, envy, jealousy. Yeah, I go take bad mind out of it. This way bigger than bad mind. I don't even know what word to really use that go base on you really. Because if you sit down and look at yourself and look at what you did to your family member Sachs, who is sick, not sick, have a broken foot. Now let me say this to you. A man find a relationship in a woman and he decided to spend his money on his woman. He don't know if the woman only come for money. He don't know if the woman only come to take his money and gone about his business. No man know that. Unless the woman tell you, me just pay me my money, let me go about my business. We don't know if that was the situation. But you used to come out and talking about what you think and woman about them money and all those kind of things. Farmerman, from the one time I see you come out with your issues, this is the first video again me watch of you. And the reason why me watch the video is because me want to see what you say and listen to what you say. But let me say this to you. I'm going to call name. You, Jbud, Mamito, Socks, a family up in a do over there, yeah? And you know, the whole family member, whole family are come from far. Poor people. And if you see where your family reach, your family member them reach, in a this time, and you are not happy for them, you have problem. You see how far them are come from. Their mother dead, gone, left them. Your family member dead, gone, left. All of you are. And instead, we work together and build a fortress, build family wealth, build something strong. You of all person, a fight against your own families, your own blood. If you cannot fight down your own blood that way, who you won't fight down? No, you won't fight down your enemy because you love your enemy more than how you love your own family members. Farmerman, it's a total disgrace when me watch your video, listen to what you are saying, pick out sense out and nonsense of what you are saying, because you are called names, but the name just now come out of your mouth. You're using a word very often in your, me stop use people video. Yeah, me stop use people video in a certain way. Yeah, me stop use people video in a certain way. But Farmerman, when me listen to what you have to say, it only tell me it only tell me that you are really bitter against your family members for their uplifting, for their bringing up at themselves, for their fighting for life, for their fighting of making themselves comfortable. You're a bitter man. You're a bitter person. You're a bitter individual. Also, I go say this to you. I heard you say something about you was going to contact Donald Trump and tell Donald Trump about the woman that is stealing the things in America to send. And you mash up. Listen to what you're saying. You listen to what you're saying. Listen to the word you use out of your mouth. You mash up the back to school. Just listen. Just listen to the word that you say out of your mouth. You mash up the back to school. You make them can't get nothing. Forgive people for back to school. Are you a numbskull? Are you an idiot? Are you, what are you really? That you is going to use the word that you caused them not to be doing these things where people were getting help from it. People was getting help. People was getting some bags, some shoes, a little bit of clothes, a little bit of something from what this lady was sending. And you're saying that you is the cause of what make it not going to happen again because you were going to call Donald Trump to tell Donald Trump that this lady is stealing. Farmer man, people may have to stop and drink some water. You may have to stop and drink some water. Guys, you see how this place there? This is just a place where you can walk. You just a walk through place and you can just stop, drink water. Yeah, that's how this place stay, so. And then guys, over there, so, I'm gonna show you in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna show you in the background. That place, that's the police station. Yeah, guys, that's the police station over there. You see big? Yeah, man, that's the police station, Yes, yes, back to reality. Back to talking about this unscrupulous farmer man. Guys, when you're going to come out and make a video telling people that you are the one who stopping them from getting things because you were going to call Donald Trump and tell Donald Trump about the lady who was stealing things. Let me really talk to you a little bit. How can you know that? And as a matter of fact, how can you get up and say that when these things that is coming down to Jbud, he's helping people? It's not helping you because you're not getting none. And guys, hold on a little bit before we go any further tonight. I don't know if you know, did you remember a video when me make stating that there's people from in the community, Dover, who is selling information. I don't know if you all remember that video when I made that video about somebody in the community that was selling information to overseas people. Let me say this to you. Farmerman is one of the people who is giving information. He didn't sell it. Yeah, Farmerman did not sell it. Farmerman give these information freely. Yeah, Farmerman is one of the person who was giving out information to subscribers, not subscribers, to content creators who was trying to tear down many of the people in Dover. You notice me not call a name, I said many. So in other words, everybody. Him was one of the main person. There's another one. I soon tell him about that one. But guys, this is sad. This is really sad when I see that video, when I listen to him I say, when me watch him I say to myself, how can a man, a family member, look at life that way, go at life that way to carry, to want to bring down his family member just because of what somebody wrote in his comment? Guys, let me say this. People write a lot of things in my comment section. And it cannot get me. Hold on a little bit, guys. Hold on a little bit. Let me say this. In my comment section, I have seen where people write things about me. And when I read it, I realize where it's coming from. Well, in other words, I believe I know where it come from. So when I say I believe I know where it's coming from, I don't physically know because I wasn't there. But I don't come out and make any videos beating down a person because of what a subscriber say or what a viewer say. No. Why should I do that? You know, much less my family member. No one should let you beat down your family member just because of what they say out of their mouth. In other words, you're using that subscriber's word as a what should I say? What's the word should I use? You're using what that subscriber say. Ah, hmm. Guys, I don't know the word I want to really use. But in other words, is you're using what that subscriber say as a can't find the word I really want to use. So I'm going to just say you're using that word that the subscriber say as gasoline. Yes, as gasoline. You already bitter. Yeah, you already bitter. You already don't like your family member. You already grudge them. You already have bad feelings towards them. Them elevate themselves. You not elevate because all you do is just negative, live negative. So you use that just to beat them down. What a dirty way to live. Eh? That's a dirty way to live. For really and truly, that's a dirty way to live. You should at least think, think a little bit better about about what you're doing, what you're saying. At least think a little bit better and have some farmer sense, some farmer respect for your family. But as far as me concerned, you don't care. You don't care. And listen to me now, my viewers and subscribers, and all the people them out there who's going to see this video. We are our own enemy. We are our own enemy as family. We can't see eye to eye, so now it's the new norm. We bring each other life out on social media. We can't sit down and talk over issues. And for these things that Farmerman come out with, talking about, Farmerman go as far as put out there about woman who nyam out socks, woman who nyam out Jbud, and all those kind of things. A relationship governed with you helping your partner. If your partner decide to take what you're helping him or her with and run, there's nothing you can do to stop that. Nothing. Nothing you can do to stop that. The only thing you can do is just work with it, move on, start a different life, and hope that the same thing don't happen twice. Farmerman is a menace to society. Farmerman, you have issues. Farmerman, you have problem. Farmerman, remember say. Farmerman, remember this. Me go say something. Farmerman, you remember when you call overseas and tell that lady about what happening at guys, you know, me no want to say it, you know. Me have left it right there, so. But many things will happen. And you call overseas. Yeah, you call overseas and tell people what happened. Yeah, you. Me not gonna say exactly what it was, because me no want to start about nothing. But you call overseas. Yeah, you call overseas and tell people what and when things is happening. You must stop it. Farmerman, you must stop it. It's not good. It's not nice. Farmerman, you show up your colors. People already know. Say I saw you stay. But this is socks, injury, broken foot, can't walk. Socks in our villa, I have a nice little fun time. And you used to come out because of what you claims that a subscriber say. It's dirty. Yeah, it's really dirty because of what that person said. It gives you that energy. It gives you that courage. It gives you that to get up and beat down your family member. Lie, you are tell. Lie. Big, 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 big lie. You are tell Farmerman. Farmerman, you hate your family member because of their achievement. As a matter of fact, you see, as a matter of fact, let me go back a little bit. It's not because of their achievement make you hate your family member then. You hate your family member them for a very long time. Very, very long time. Even before them start to have anything. People, you don't know why me go back. Farmerman and his family member been having this issue long before them even start grow up on YouTube. So it's not something we just start now. It only get more bigger now because there is social media to share these things on. There's social media to put these things out so people can know what is happening. People can talk, people can listen. But these things been happening a long time. Farmerman is one of the worst person. Listen to me good enough. I want to believe what me I say. Farmerman is one of the worst person in a Dover, the whole Dover itself. Farmerman is terrible. Farmerman is a mix-up. Farmerman mix-up is different from a normal mixing up of drinks. Farmerman is dirty and messy. Again, go listen. No, go over there, go listen on my behalf. You know. But Farmerman used some words. Go on. Who him make rich. Figure help him. That's how I'm saying. Why would you use that word? Why would you use that word? Who him make? Who him help get rich? Figure help him. Why would Farmerman use that word? Think now, people. Think about what exactly is going on. What Farmerman say and how Farmerman come out is way bigger than what you all feel and you all believe. Listen to what Farmerman say. Really good. Who sucks help get rich? Who sucks help get rich? People, me think different, me look into things different, me understand things different from many people. Who and Sachs was working together and they get rich? Who? Who? What Farmerman is saying is we are bigger than Sachs. Guys. Walking a nice this morning, guys. Feel good. Guys, this for me I walk right there, sir. Downtown. Yeah, downtown, yeah, right now. All me a similar breakfast, all of the way you call it, restaurant, I make breakfast. Yes, guys, it's a. If you sit down and listen to what these people are saying, them not only talking about one thing, they're talking about many different things in one sentence, but afraid to come out and say exactly what them are saying. Because if you listen to him I say real good, you can realize that he's talking about somebody else. Because you have to remember this. Sachs wasn't a team member of Jbud. Sachs wasn't a team member of Jbud. Jbud and Sachs wasn't making videos together. And when he used the word who him help get rich, to help him. If you all don't see and know and understand who exactly him attack, something is really wrong. The envy is real. The jealousness is real. But you know, guys, I wonder when this stupidness go stop. Because, guys, tell the truth, it now make no sense. It now make no sense. Family, we all know family fight against family for years. We've been fighting against family for years, many years. But guys, that get out of control now. And it get from bad to worse. When you should not look out for your family member, you claims that because of what a subscriber write, because of what a subscriber said, causing you to go off on your own family member. Bull crap. That's bull crap. Something that you want to do a long time. And hear what you say? You have a lot more to talk. You have a lot more to talk. So more are gonna come out. My thing is, who cares how much money Sachs have and who Sachs give money? Why would you care who Sachs give money? Why would you come out and talk about money that Sachs give a woman? Why would you come out and talk those things? Why? Why would you try to tear down your family member in a time of he needs you now more than ever? Huh? Just because you see the two of them join up together and start to work together and hear what you say. Your word is that them are use stocks to make money. They are YouTubers. They are YouTubers. It's called content. What you should have done is you should have pulled yourself in, throw away the dirty mind, throw away the bad mind, throw away the envy and the jealousness, and go over to Sachs with your camera, video your family member, make sure him alright, and all these kind of things. And as a matter of fact, you say, by the way, I won't say that because I'm not 100% sure on that. So I won't say that part. But I believe you did make a video about him getting his foot broke. Yes. I think so. I can't remember. So when I watch your videos, I just watch them look the way I say and then, you know. But at the end of the day, this alone should show how vicious and wicked you are. Stop it. Farmerman, you should stop it. And people, let me say something to me, say, subscribers, viewers, how this stupidness is going to stop when you, as subscribers and viewers, is fueling this stupidness? How will they stop? They will never stop. Because we all know if you make a content talking about people gossiping and all those things, people go watch it. If you make other content, people don't even want to watch it. Like I make 2 content and those content barely getting views because they're not about people's business and people's life. But you know, as I go. But at the end of the day, people need to cut out the stupidness. Guys, with that said, you don't know. I gotta be gone.